Hello friends, today we are going to study functions of management. Let us study each and every functions with different examples. Number 1. Planning. Planning means deciding in advance what will be done in the near future. If organization wants to achieve their objectives, then planning is required about what to be done, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, and by whom it is to be done. For example, in automobile sector, future is of electronic vehicles. So majority of automobile companies are planning to produce electronic vehicles. Functions number 2, organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationship with the aim of allowing people to work more effectively together in achieving the objectives. For example, if we are planning to make a movie, then different works to be performed like initial story, idea, screenwriting, casting, shooting, sound recording, editing, etc. Third function, staffing. Staffing includes selection of suitable person, training and development of that person, retirement of old person, performance appraisal of personnel, and adequate salary of employees. Staffing refers to placement of right person in the right job at right time. The success of any enterprise depends upon successful performance of staffing function. For example, IBPS, that is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, introduced 12,075 vacancies for IBPS clerk for 2019-20 recruitment. Number 4. Directing. It is required for the employee to perform well in the organization. So, directing deals with to provide various techniques to the employee to perform well in the organization to do the job assigned to them. For example, in army, various techniques provides to soldiers about how to deal with different situations. Number 5. Coordination. All the activities are divided group-wise or section-wise under organizing function. Such group activities are coordinated towards the accomplishment of objectives decided in the organization. Janmashtami Dahi Handi is the perfect example of perfect coordination. Number 6. Reporting. Report is a document containing information organized in a narrative, graphic, or tabular form. Report may refer to specific periods, events, occurrences, or subjects, and may be communicated or presented in oral or written form. As per Tiger Census Report 2018, the total population of Royal Bengal tiger in India is 2,967, which is more than double of 2006. Number 7. Budgeting. A budgeting is a statement of activities to be undertaken during a specific future period of time and expressed in the terms of figures. It lays down the targets to be achieved during a specific period of time. For example, Avenger Endgame's estimated budget is of 35.6 crore US dollar. It is one of the most expensive films ever made. The last function of management is controlling. Controlling involves identification of actual results, comparing of actual result with expected result as set by planning process, identification of deviation between the two if any, and taking of correcting action so that result match with expected results. One of the reasons for fast development of Android is developer friendly tools. Friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thank you.